River Ganga starts from Gangotri and ends at. Correct answer is option C, Bay of Bengal. Where was the national anthem of India first sung? Correct answer is option C, Kolkata. Who was the first Muslim to attack India? Correct answer is option C, Muhammad bin Qasim. Which Indian state has its own constitution? Correct answer is option D, Jammu and Kashmir. Which state in India shares border with only one Indian state? Correct answer is option C, Sikkim. Tehri Dam is situated in which state of India? Correct answer is option B, Uttarakhand. Which is the most poorest state in India? Correct answer is option B, Bihar. Which city is known as the city of temple in India? Correct answer is option D, Bhubaneswar. Which foreign country first started trade in India? Correct answer is option C, Portugal. Which one of the following is not Union territory? Correct answer is option D, Tripura. Kuchipuri is a classical dance form of which Indian states? Correct answer is option A, Andhra Pradesh. Which state has the longest coastline in India? Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Which Indian state has the longest border with China? Correct answer is option D, Arunachal Pradesh. Which is the longest irrigation canal in India? Correct answer is option A, Indira Gandhi Canal. In which year the capital of India shifted from Kolkata to Delhi? Correct answer is option B, 1911. India's largest and oldest Indian museum is located in which state? Correct answer is option A, West Bengal. Aizawl is a capital city of which Indian state? Correct answer is option A, Mizoram. Which state is the largest producer of sunflower in India? Correct answer is option A, Karnataka. Which city is known as the Banana City? Correct answer is option D, Jalgaon. Which of the following Prime Minister has served a term for 13 days? Correct answer is option C, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Which is the capital city of Orissa? Correct answer is option D, Bhubaneswar.